Guys, I just want to say a massive thank you for helping me reach 1,000 subscribers, guys. Yes, guys, I've just reached 1,000 subscribers. And guys, I am so thankful and grateful for the love and support you guys have been giving me. It means so much to me that I really can't express myself in words how thankful I am in reaching 1,000 subscribers. And guys, just make sure to keep liking the videos, subscribing to the channel, and even commenting on the videos, because it does help me to make more videos in the future, and it actually makes me want to work harder in the next video I produce. So guys, I thank you for 1,000 subscribers, and guys, this is going to be a 1,000 subscriber special video. So guys, hope you enjoy. I'll see you in the kitchen. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on this channel, Harman's Cooking. Now before we get into the video, I just want to say a big thank you to the guys who gave me love and support on my previous video, which was my birthday video. I really appreciate the love and support and the kind wishes you guys gave me on that video, since it was a special day for me. Now guys, in today's video, the outdoors is very cold, and today I just feel like eating something nice, warm, and hot. So guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make lamb shank. But before we get into cooking lamb shanks, let's go shopping. Hey mom, can you please take me to the shopping?
Okay, I'll take you.
Yes.
Let me just get ready.
Okay, sweet. Okay guys, so I'm back from the shopping, and now it's time to make lamb shanks. Okay guys, so I have my lamb shanks here, and I'm coating it with white flour, and we're going to toast it on later so we can get that nice flavor of the lamb shanks. So now I'm putting cooking oil on the pan, and I'm going to add in my coated lamb shanks. Wow, you can hear that beautiful sizzle from the lamb shanks. Guys, the lamb shanks are ready and toasted. Now we have to make the lamb shank mix. So right here I have water and tomato paste stew seasoned with salt and pepper. Now, usually I would put red wine in it to enhance the flavor of the stew, but I know a lot of you guys don't drink red wine, so you can skip that part of wine, and it's totally optional for you guys. But now I'm going to be adding in our chopped up red vegetables. So I have carrots here, celery, and nicely rosemary. And just going to mix them around with the stew, give it a nice bath. Okay guys, now it's time to put in our lamb shanks. Okay guys, so I've put the lamb shanks in the oven for 180 degrees Celsius for around 2 hours to 2.5 hours. But guys, make sure to keep an eye on your cooking. Don't say Harmon didn't say so, because Harmon did. I'm going to be serving the lamb shanks with creamy mashed potatoes and deep fried onion rings. So let's make the creamy mashed potatoes. Now it's time to boil our potatoes. While our potatoes are boiling, let's make the batter for the onion rings. Guys, for the batter, I have white flour, baking powder, white pepper, and salt. I'm going to mix them up with water. Okay guys, the batter is ready for the onion rings. It's nice and smooth, the consistency, just what we're looking for. Okay guys, the potato is now ready to be mashed. Okay guys, this is what the smoothness we need from the mashed potatoes. Look, as you can see, it's nice and silky. And now I'm going to be adding in salt. Some white pepper. Finely chopped up rosemary. Mix them around nicely. Now we're going to put in cream and mix them around and continuously mix them around until it becomes nice and smooth. The nice and smooth mashed potatoes are now ready. There's one thing left to do, that's to make the onion rings. Doing a lot of research lately about the history of the lamb shanks, and while gathering all the information together, I am actually quite worried that you guys will probably be bored of me talking about the history of the lamb shank, since it's quite long and it will take up quite a lot of the time of the video. But to cut the history short, there is no history, guys. Just cook the way I cook the dish and enjoy the dish. It's completed, and guys, wow, just look at the plate. I have my homemade onion rings, the lamb shank, also the mashed potatoes I have here, creamy mashed potatoes, and I have the stew with the vegetables. Man, it looks so yummy, and I'm just gonna dig in. So I'm gonna try the lamb first. Let's remove this. Oh wow, it's so tender. It's amazing. Okay, let's go. Oh my gosh. Oh, that is so beautiful. It's so magnificent. The flavors from the stew has gone absorbed inside the lamb, and the lamb is so tender. You don't even need your teeth to eat this. You can just use your gums and eat this lamb. It's that tender. Let me try this lamb with the mashed potatoes. Oh man. Oh, the taste of the mashed potatoes is wonderful. And the rosemary, which I've added into the mashed potatoes, is giving such a nice flavors, and the fragrance is amazing. The combination of those two is superb. Must try dish, guys, and I'm gonna go for more. Magnificent, beautiful dish. Try this nice and crispy onion rings. The taste is so beautiful. The outside is nice and crispy. Also, the onion is nice, so you get that nice crunchy taste and texture from the onion ring. Is so beautiful. And guys, that's going to be it for today's video. Please leave a like if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to the channel if you are new. And guys, I'll see you next time. Have a good day. And let me enjoy this dish.